Hey guys! Stop, please, just stop. Stop, don't do it, please. Okay, I'm a guest on this channel. My name is Max. This is...
No, his name is Jeff.
No, it's not. My name is Max. Don't shoot. You hit the phone.
I did on purpose. I hate you guys.
He just hit you in the face.
No, I'm just kidding.
Leave a like to this channel or subscribe.
I didn't subscribe.
Yes, subscribe or like, just so he can get a million subscribers.
Okay, so if you subscribe to my channel and say I subscribe in the comments below, we will do a Nerf gun war.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
I might just do it anyway.
No. As you can see, we were just playing.
I totally just missed you.
I know you did. And we will now watch TV. Who likes the blank TV? I don't. I'm gonna show you a tour of our house. It's being cleaned right now. Here's the kitchen. Can't see it very well. Oh no, don't shoot me! Please! I know you have no Nerf guns, but you don't have... I'm gonna go get one for myself. Ow! Ow! Stop it! I need to get... I'm closing the door.
Wait, there's one in here.
I know.
I need these two.
No, this is mine. Get away! Okay. What do you want to do? Wait, do you want us to have a Nerf gun war? Do you? So what? Upcoming events? Nothing. Yeah, exactly.
How about let's do a Nerf gun war? Come on.
Okay, but we need to set up this. Ow!
Are you okay?
Ow, that hurt!
It really does hurt.
Yeah, you shot me.
How about my base is your room, and
No, she's cleaning. Your grandma's cleaning.
no, we can play. We can still play.
Yeah, but
because that's what I do when she doesn't get mad at me. But she does get mad when I do
okay.
this.
Stop.
They're both loaded.
That's my gun. Where are you? I know you. I see you. I know it hurts. Oh, I'm sorry I left you. Had to go and... Oh no, stop. Okay. Sorry about that. Wait, let's do it in front of the camera. You got it ready? Oh, come on, you missed me. You missed me. Did you just see that thing flying in the air? Hope you're enjoying this. Oh, no. I'm almost out of ammo. Oh. No, I didn't.
Okay, it's really tense.
Leave a like.
Send me a subscription.
Okay, bye.